In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the game may not run due to the device's limited graphics card performance warning in Inzoi. This message usually appears when your system's graphics card doesn't meet the game's recommended requirements. But don't worry, there are some quick tweaks you can try. First, make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Next, lower the game's graphics settings. Launch Inzoi, go to Settings, then Graphics, and set everything to low or medium. Disable features like VSync, anti-aliasing, and motion blur to reduce GPU load. If you're on a laptop, make sure it's using the dedicated GPU, not the integrated one. You can set this in your system's graphics settings. Also, close background apps to free up memory and GPU usage. As a last step, you can try running the game in windowed mode at a lower resolution for better performance. These optimizations can help you bypass the warning and play Inzoi more smoothly on lower-end hardware. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.